Spring real estate season is in full swing. CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger joins me now with a look at the current market. Jill, great to see you. I know we go back a long, long way.
Yes.
Back when rates were in double digits, and now they were in single digits, and now, again, they're still high, but it's not what it once was 15, 20 years ago, so we always put it in perspective. But let's talk about how people are impacted right now about these rates. How is it impacting them on this day?
You know, I went back, I looked and saw, like, where were we before the pandemic started, right? And so we were at around 3.5%, but then interest rates went down, and we saw that a number of people were snagging these sub 3% 30-year fixed rate mortgages. And now, all of a sudden, the Federal Reserve is raising rates over the course of the year, and now we see 30-year fixed rate mortgages up over 6%. And I just want to tell you what that really means, bottom line. If you bought a $500,000 house at, let's say, 3-ish% or 3.5%, you would pay about $1,700 a month for principal and interest. Okay? Now it's over 6%. You're $2,500 a month. What does that mean? It means that a lot of buyers are priced out of the market. They've got to lower the amount they can pay, and it's putting a lot of pressure on the housing market, slowing down activity.
Yes, so as far as homeowners are concerned, there are people, obviously, that want to buy a home. Now is the right time. Maybe the mortgage rates don't, indicate that it's the best time to buy, but for homeowners, is it still an okay time to buy?
Well, listen, first of all, if you're a homeowner, what you're seeing is that prices stopped rising in that meteoric fashion. But if you're a homeowner and you want to list your home, where are you going next? The big problem that I see is that all those people who refinanced in 2020 and 2021, they don't want to give up those low mortgage rates. So we have a lack of inventory. As a result, even though interest rates have gone up, prices haven't come down that much. We just don't have enough homes for sale, and that has kept prices from going up further. But I will say that housing affordability remains a problem for a lot of first-time buyers. So I think homeowners just know you're not in where we were, like the middle of the screeching, amazing market, but there are people who need homes and want them.
So when people come to you, and I guess this kind of goes back to my original question, and say, Jill, is it a good time to buy? I know it's tough when you see those rates to be, oh yeah, it's a great time. It's not a great time, but again, what's your advice to people who want to get into the market?
You know what? If you're looking to buy a home, you still have to run the numbers, right? So you have to say, what's my income? Can I afford this? If you are seeking to get into the market and you want to try to get in, maybe now is a time to consider an adjustable rate loan. Now, again, that could be fixed for 10 years, 7 years, but then you run the risk that it changes. Hopefully, if you're going to take an adjustable rate, you know that you have to refinance before the end of that term. The other thing you can do is maybe buy your mortgage down. You pay some points up front, and you can get a lower interest rate, maybe temporarily, maybe for the fixed amount of the loan. Run the numbers, go back to your own financial security. Look, this is an expensive rental market, so if you are paying a very high rent, it still may be good for you to buy a home and get into that home. You'll get a chance to refi.
Because we know what that rent is going. It's going down the drain, whereas at least if you're paying into a mortgage, at least there was some savings on the back end of that. And last question before I let you go, relief in sight for these rates to continue to come down? I know they're at the highest right now, but they're still pretty far up there as we mentioned.
When we look back, we saw the rates go up to above 7%. It looks like the Fed is at the end of its rate cycle. I think by the end of this year, mortgage rates are headed lower, and that's what every economist I speak to is projecting.
Got it. But if you got in sub 3 a couple of years ago,
hang on to it, baby.
Like hitting the lottery. All right, Jill, great to see you, and thank you so much. And you can see Jill regularly on CBS Mornings and the CBS Evening News with Norah O'Donnell. For more analysis, go to JillOnMoney.com.